Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's the voice of GNFX, and I want to show you guys what I did this week and that I took on a monthly time frame. I'm looking at this structure here, achieve support after resistance. Okay, support here, resistance here, support back here. This was going to the market, broke through this resistance here. I don't know what this is, guys. I don't know what this is, guys, but whatever it is, I think there could be a rejection of this zone, okay? And we can see price move up to test this structure one more time at the least, or we can see price drop from this point to downside. That is possible, but I think a reversal is more unique than a continuation, right? Okay. And we look at the weekly time frame, what I did for the weekly time frame. When I looked at weekly time frame, I looked at this structure here, but I also kept in mind this zone here, right? And on Monday, I got into a trade, which I hurriedly got out of the trade as well. You know, remember last week we were speaking about price being in some sort of contraction inside of the territory with this and also with this, okay? And now I say that even on Friday, that price could actually break down to testing the low, and we can see that it did that on Monday. When I saw this on Monday, I was able to close my trade here with a trail stop, and price then dropped one more time to the area which I was speaking about. All right, so this is an area which I want to start looking for long opportunities here, at least to target here, TP1, and also target here, TP2. All right. So what do I do? What I'm saying currently is I do not like the composition of the candles. All right. So I am believing that we will have a retest of the structure. So there is no real reason to be in such a hurry to buy up. Okay, when there will still be a retest of this structure here. So bulls got in next day, couldn't break above. So this is surely a sign of weakness, okay? A sign of weakness in the market, and I want to see price actually contest this environment one more time. That would be a huge, possibility. So we look at it from a lower time frame, which is the H4, okay, and we can see how it's faring on the H4, even at the H4 level. What we did see from even this point here was rejection of this structure around here. Price got back down, rejected the structure, dropped, came back, query rejection here today because of no volume, and you can see drop. So possibly price could actually move one more time, testing the structure, and then dropping one more time to this area. That should be on Friday. And on Monday, could see rise coming into the market if there is reason to. Okay, so if I think of the whole structure there, just think about that. The price cannot make new low, can actually make double bottom here and here. Then you can see rise, okay? But we need to wait for those confirmations. We need to stack up those confirmations on the daily time frame and also the H4 before we can then approach this. Okay, so the next pay I was actually looking at was the GPAUD. GPAUD, I was able to break even because what I saw initially with the GPAUD was the structure here, okay? And I got in a trade here, had this rejection up here, which is, price scattered around here. So when I now had another bounce off this point on Wednesday, exactly, I said double top possibility, and I got out of the trade around this environment, actually bagging a little amount of pips. And on Thursday, which I announced to everyone, I don't want to be trading today. So Thursday, you can see how price then broke through this key support here, and got to downside, and then it's back up here. So we're looking at a daily time frame. Price have been able to close at two indecision candles. Okay, I'm looking at two indecision candles. Then we could then rise to the upside because I'm looking at everything. I want to be bullish on this pay. Okay, I want to be bullish on this pay. That's what I want to be doing unless proven wrong. All right, on let's see, the Monday fell. we could see a monthly scale. We had rejection of here, rejected this point, rejected this structure, rejected this structure, both got back in, set up that. And you can see that currently this structure is being rejected. So I would expect the next candle to actually, you know, go to the upside. But definitely, that would be something I would really want to reevaluate. Okay, I want to reevaluate and then see what possibilities and probabilities also are there in the market from a lower time frame, like the weekly time frame. And I am also seeing a rejection of this huge structure here of the 1.796 territory. So I can expect price to at least come into this territory for a test. And on the daily, there is still a huge possibility of price actually coming, you know, back into testing the structure here if there is no real reason for price to actually move up at one spring, okay? And you just have to look at how things are faring in the market, then you can make an assessment and also adjustment as regards that, okay? So daily looks like this. No pattern, nothing. All right, so we just want to wait and then see stack up this confirmation. But the GP JPY, I think we have a possibility of a double top, okay? Looking at the weekly time frame, okay, and looking at the weekly, we would see that price is an uptrend. Okay, right from here, rejection with this candle, we've gotten stuck here, you know, price then gather momentum with this candle and continue to feel one more time. And with this candle, create indecision, which I spoke about, you know, last week with that structure there. I spoke about this structure here, that price would drop before then going back up, and we could see how that also played, okay? So now we have a possibility of a double top. Double top can be inside of this territory, here 104. Here, so we just make this 104 territory to be a possibility of a double top. And the H4 look nice too. It is a little bit so around this territory here of the 140 area could be a good area for a double top possibility. So we have seen this day can break rejection. So PS got in. You can see push up to test. You can see drop at least into this territory. That's what I want to be doing at least for next week. I could see that. You know, I want to do that because looking at the indices here, we are very close to a very key area with rejection, support back here, breakout, resistance. So we can also see resistance inside the territory here. This is the GDP indices, okay, GDP LFX, okay. And I look at this also when I'm making my assessment that if this is going up, also the GDP risk of assets should also be going up. Okay, so we are actually back into a very key area, but from a monthly time frame, is actually you know, different. Okay, I really don't get it with this monthly time frame here because support, rejection, price took back. This is a key resistance here. Okay, we can actually have a bounce here. It's a huge possibility too. We probably tested and rejected, but probably I would see one more drop at least to test area before if there will be a breakout or there will be a reversal. That's what we're going to be reevaluating in the month of December. All right. So GPJPY, you're looking at it. We are not yet in the trade. I'm not in the trade. I'm just looking at it. So I don't have it in the trade. You know, today was Thursday, and let's talk about the number trend today. So we had Tuesday high, Wednesday high. So I can look at pullback, this territory, and reach somewhere above here, target down here, 51. All right. I think that would be a nice trade too. Let's see which would be 56 pips, target 131 pips. I think the nice trade, guys, to take. Okay, you just wrap up Euro CHF. We've seen Euro CHF making multiple bounds right from this territory here. So currently we are seeing another bounce here. Okay, we're not taking any trade decision for now because we are still risk on. All right, we're still risk on. We're not taking any trade. It's a risk on, all right? So I just want to see how the current Monday candle will close, but I think the current Monday candle can actually close inside this territory. I think the next one can actually continue to fill up probably to this point. I just want to see how that will happen. But one trade I'm looking to take tomorrow, which is Friday, on a Friday, it's going to be the Euro card. I'm going to trade the Euro card on Friday. I'm going to trade the Euro card on Friday, and why I'm going to trade the Euro card on Friday is I think the Euro card is going to make one more drop. Currently, we are seeing what look like we've rejected this territory here. One, rejected this point, rejected the upside, rejected here, price can rejected down here. All right, couldn't break still up after this rejection, and we see price actually still come back at least into this territory or this territory. More of price have not been able to make new highs. It's making low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It could make a new lower low. But one of the things we need to reevaluate is that on the monthly scale, these are mostly scattered trades. These are mostly scattered trades, and I've seen this a lot of times. Mostly scattered trades. I've spent a lot of time in the market, and I wouldn't want to be in a hurry to take this kind of trade, but I think a pullback into this territory here would be good for a short trade. And let's look at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I think this territory is one we want to look at here, the 165,700. So we just look at, we actually had a failed trade from that point back here, guys. Remember in my last trade setup, failed from here to this zone, right? And I was targeting this zone initially, but I saw this double bounce here, so I had to close my trade here. And I'm still looking at a rejection of this point. If I can find rejection of this point here on a daily scale, I think that will be the only time I will look for short opportunities. But I just need to wait and reevaluate the situation on a daily. Okay, I can afford price coming to peer through it. Okay, I can afford price coming to just peer through it. Okay, and retest and then continue to this point. I just need to see a rejection of this point on the daily. That will be my major target. All right. I'll just wait down there. So I'm still looking at price still moving a little bit up, okay, into this territory or this trend line here and rejecting. I'm still on the watch out. I'm trying to look at, okay, and I just want to wait for the whole day to end. This candle here, I speak about this candle on Wednesday. I want to see price coming to take out all the nonsense that all right. I just want to see a couple of things happening in the market. Okay, so GP card, I really don't have any trade to take with GP card at the moment. On the monthly scale, I speak about it for, apart from this candle here, all this is happening here, no rejection. We can actually see in just one single day, price will just drop in one single day. It's all possible for that to happen. I don't really have a trade with the GP card, so I don't want to take any so, but the Euro GBP, I'm still looking at Euro GBP, and I could also fancy a rejection. So if you get a rejection up here, I think we then target price to come into testing the structure there, and but that should be only after the current Monday candle can actually close and rejecting the structure here. Otherwise, I'm looking at then I could look for bullish opportunities that lead back into the top. And that would be 0.0933. And I think that I'll look at that. This is actually too close. Okay, this is just too way down. I think if price is actually going to drop one more time, I think it should just expand before then dropping, at least getting that expansion is what I want to see. Okay, GP ended the off similar to GPAUD. I don't want to be taking interest off here, but I think there should be a reaction of this low. Just I think there should be a reaction of this low. This is the low we're speaking about. Move a little bit down to this territory. Okay, so I'm just looking at that territory there. There could be a reaction of this territory at think I will look at that. I don't really have reason to long yet. No real reason to long. I'll just have to wait. Traders, I'll just wait. I will recommend waiting. All right, I just recommend waiting as one of the key things I want to be doing as a trader here. Just want to wait. All right, I don't have much to do with this, so I just want to wait, to stack all those confirmations. We didn't look at the major plays. I didn't really look at trading major plays this week. In my presentation, I talked about AUD, NZD. I let it just exhaust on its very own. I don't want to just be there when those exhaustion patterns are happening. You can't really tell what particular thing could just happen in the market and some kind of take it out. A lot of craziness happening at the moment. Okay. Whoa, USD just reduction off here. Injections here. This should have been the best. I don't know. I think this should still continue to go down or expand. Whatever the position will be, I think well. I don't know. Okay, here on a monthly scale, Euro USD. I don't know, we're still far off this territory here. We're still far off this territory here. So we just need to see what is happening here. What is currently happening here is not clear. Not clear, and I don't think it's very going to trade this. So let's just wait for pullback to start. I don't know, I'm still risk on, so I just don't want to take in cases to be trade. We are back into key structure here in terms of the GBP USD, and it's a very key structure there. You can actually wait for some sort of exhaustive pattern. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. I just want to wait. I don't want to trade. I just want to wait. All right. I just want to wait. I don't want to trade. I just want to wait to see what's happening. Also with the NZD, AUD. I don't really know what's happening. So I can't trade what I don't know. CHF, I think was wow, craziness. I think we've seen a lot of things happening here, and well, I don't know. A lot of craziness happening. I don't know, but I don't think it's best to trade this. You're looking at this support, see, in 5 times we see through that support there. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do here. I have 2 zones. I don't know what to do here. I have 2 zones here. It's a long way to go. But however it is, I think I don't know with this candle here. I don't know what this candle was. Or this should have been the hammer pattern. But for this to come in here, I think this is still good to be taken out. I don't know. I don't know. I just want to see. On a daily scale, I think we are still in a very good demand territory, at least with this candle here. So long as we don't break through here. But once the monthly structure can end, I think there will be a problem. Whatever's happening here, I think price should find its way back here tomorrow. Find its way back into this territory here, this small territory. From this point, I think price should start getting to here to be safe. If both want to be safe, they need to take price up here to be safe at the least. All right, above the 1.304, need to just take price up there and to be safe, to be sure of a chance of being able to move up. All right. We'll just look at a little bit of gold. And, gold, my target has always been 1,800. You know, look at my previous videos on gold. Let's talk about this target here. It's always my target, and it's bull eye. Okay, it's bull eye. It's there. All right, so it's my target 1,800 level. In some way, I don't think one should be in a hurry to take this trade here. Let the week end with the craziness in mix. So back to 23 along my target, and you know, voila. But I don't want the week to end with all this craziness. We just reevaluate for next month. Just leave the money for here. All this craziness also happening. You know, you don't want to just keep trading all times. There are sometimes you need to take a break and then see what is happening in the whole general market, right? I've gone through a lot of things. I've seen a lot of things. Okay, so I don't trade week in, week out. Oh, gosh. I think for CAC JPY, if CAC JPY can actually close, you know, a little bit low, I think next candle should come in back to test the structure or the structure. Looking at the composition there. So I just think we should close inside this territory, at least to face one big drop. This whole craziness. AUD barometer pay, you know, is risk on. That's why I see AUD USD going up, JPY going up, JPY going up. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is a breakout. Let's show you guys. Let me show you. Wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. The breakout. Let's see. Well, it still has levels to beat before can be confirmed. And see that. You can see that. Ha ha ha. Yeah. I think majority of the pay should be to the upside. Whoa. You can see that. 7,800 could be the level to test. Could be the level to test. 7,800 could be the level to test. Not as much. That was wrong. So we just leave the weekly candle to close as it is. Then we just hit it by next week to our desired target. Just hit it. But on the monthly scale, yeah, it's a possibility. 7,800 is a possibility on a monthly scale. So we just leave it there. Allow everything to just finish the way it is. What is this? I don't know. Could be 0 AB. Wait to see bounce. And we will just keep our head up. You know, this is almost the high here. 7,700 there is also crucial. So we just need to keep everything close. We don't need to rush it. Yeah, man. I think so. There's very small tight territory here. You know, small territory here. All right. We can expect the pullback. Then we go on it. Risk down here. Yay! What I think. My favorite pay, Cathay Jeff. I did one that with just pay. I'm not gonna be in a hurry to come in. I just leave it there. Many times I like to leave it there. I like to leave it there. Well, multiple rejections of here. I like to leave it there. No real need to rush into the trade there. No real need. But we are seeing what we wanted to see. Impulse, retracement, impulse. That's it. We love it. We just continue with the drama. And at the high, craziness so far the month, we could absolutely something not ended. I don't know. Oh, I think it's good. Whatever it is, I think it's good. 127 attend this thing. Yeah, 127 attend. So we'll not be in a hurry to buy. Yeah, we just need to test the structure. Yeah. I entered the card. I don't know what's happening with the price. I can't between what I don't know. Just to sit up there. It could be a breakout. We could be seeing a breakout of this. All right, this but there's a huge structure here. Relaxing, waiting for it. HFJPY look bullish. And weekly, this is a bullish engulfing pattern here. Look bullish. In sense of it, we just need to see a pullback. Yeah, well, I don't know. I just want to see, but I just want to see. I don't want to be trading. I just want to see, observe what is happening in the whole general market. And just look at the ADN setting. I don't really have any trade with this. I just want to wait. I just want to wait. Look bearish. Just want to wait. And with that, I think we'll just wrap up this session. I'll just give you over a press if there's any update tomorrow. But I'll look at the Euro card, most especially I want to trade the Euro card tomorrow. I'll trade the Euro card tomorrow around that key structure there. Tomorrow, we're going to Friday, which is 27th. I want to trade that Euro card around that key structure. So I'm just waiting for price to actually, this candle here should be taken out. Continue moving and at least to test in the structure here. And start shutting down Friday, allow it to run till next week, probably go back here. I do probably think so. All right, be right. Good night.